You know?
Where's Tiger? That's another cell phone company?
Yeah. That's
¿Cuál negocio necesité uso para tu servicio? Claro, Tigo? Yeah. ¿Cuál?
I thought with the, around the second or third.
Is that the shirt that you're talking about?
That's what I'm.
Yeah. It's pretty big also.
Very nice.
Servicio muy malo.
Es bueno, pero cada vez aumenta el servicio.
Walk the floor. We're to the second spot now, or down to the next floor. Yeah. So it's another beautiful morning out. Parquillera still. Last night, pretty good, pretty busy. I enjoyed it. Going to take a walk around again. Yesterday, then we went east or south on 10th Street. Today, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a different route, walk the city a little bit. It's pretty straight though. I like it. It's got a nice city vibe. So let's take a look at some things and see where the day takes us. Later on this afternoon, I'm gonna be meeting with a friend that I met in Cartagena. He is an artist, does Latin hip hop music. So gonna go by his place later, check it out, talk to him for a little bit, see how he's been enjoying Medellin, and go from there. Yeah. They seem a little lost. Don't know where the numbers going. It's like a city in here. It's not hard. It's like New York.
It's 43, 10, yeah.
Let's
You have
follow
your main streets and that's it.
Let's follow the numbers. Yeah. You an expat? Vacationing?
No, I live here full time.
You live here full time?
Biden got elected, I left. I knew what was going to happen.
Yeah.
See what happened?
You see what happened?
All my money out of the stock market? Out. Later. Bye.
Yeah.
Then I have friends losing $7,000 a day.
$7,000 a day.
A day in stock market. Ask me
Yeah.
how much I lost.
How much?
Zero.
Because
I
you
got
pulled
out.
everything out.
Yeah, as soon as the businessman left, I was like, oh, you're going to put a politician in there? Okay. This is what you're going to get, bro.
Right. Right. Yeah. This is
Cool.
I usually record some content for my YouTube channel and
That's
whatnot. But so what do you do here? You work here?
No, I don't do anything here.
Oh, you're fully retired.
Sure, you don't have to.
Okay.
As cheap as it is to live here.
Yeah.
It's 10% of the price in the United States.
Okay.
Oh, that
Okay.
air conditioner feels good.
And so what area do you live in?
Poblado, just up the street here.
Okay. I was what was it? Calle 1A. I was over there for a couple nights, and then now I'm on 36, 8A. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So how long have you been living there?
5 years.
5 years?
On and off.
On and
I have
off.
a visa now. When I left permanently, that's not my visa.
Okay.
You can only stay 180 days.
Is it 180 days? I thought it was 90.
90 and apply for an extension.
90 and apply for an extension.
Same in the United States.